The following demo of Distribution Workbench is based on the typical supply chain network for a CPG or distribution organization, as depicted here.
Navigate to the Rules Workbench to set rules by supplier or supplier and org combination. Group rules based on business processes such as vendor purchases and branch transfers. Rules can be created on various rule attributes such as quantity, amount, weight, pallet percentage, number of pallets, item category, or planner code. Select orders to consolidate based on start date. Enable the rule across all orgs or select a particular org or a group of orgs to enable the rule. Optionally, select the auto release flag to automatically release the order when vendor constraints have been met. Navigate now to the Release Workbench to review planned orders and details including quantity, start date, key item attributes such as fixed order quantity, minimum order quantity, lead times, fixed lot size, and fixed day supply. Update need by date or start date. And or supplier based on business needs. Review planned orders based on plan horizons set in planned orders, and review orders building outside the plan horizon. Review order status based on preset rules. It displays totals across the entire order for quantity, weight, and amount, and indicates based on rule whether an order is qualified for release. It shows rule details in case a rule is not satisfied, indicating user action is required. Planners can then add edit quantities or items to meet vendor minimums. When done, save and exit. Planners can optionally also work from the consolidated workbench. Which displays data by supplier and or combination showing order level details such as total items in order, total orders, quantity, weight, and amount. Planners can see qualified versus not qualified organizations. Planners can also see if the reason an order is not qualified, example, amount not met, or fixed lot multiplier not met. Optionally, a planner can select all orders and release from the consolidated release workbench.